Hi friends, in this video I will be explaining to you all on how to install a module in Drupal. There are two ways to install a module in Drupal. One using the admin side of the Drupal and the second is using the composer. So let me show you all how to go about with this. So first, to install a module, we need to log in as an admin first. So Drupal, the host name and the slash user you have to put and log in as admin and with your admin name and the password. Then you have to click on extend. So once you click on extend, you will get this page. Okay. So first module we will install using the admin interface of the Drupal. So one module, this module I want to install is the admin toolbar module. So this helps like to easily access all the sub menus of the main menu. So over here, when the first installation of Drupal takes place, you are not able to access all the sub menus under this main menu. Okay, so like you'll have to go under configuration and then you'll get the list over here. So after you install this admin toolbar, you'll get the drop down like on hover over here. Yeah. So to install this module first, we need to go to Drupal org and search for the project, which module we want to search. So I want to install the admin toolbar. So I search this admin toolbar. Okay. The next thing is you have to go over here. You have to see the stable state and all. So for this is applicable for Drupal 9 also. So we need to copy this URL of the tags here. Yeah. Or the zip file, any of the one, and we need to go over here under extend. We have to click on install new module and just paste the URL over here. Or you can download the zip the file and upload it also over here. Okay, so I'll go with the URL. I'll press install. So it is installing the admin toolbar. So it has successfully installed the admin toolbar. So I'll go to enable newly module and I'll admin toolbar. So these modules have been installed now, meaning they have been installed, but you need to enable them. So you can check whichever one you want. So I'll just use the admin toolbar. It provides an improved drop-down menu interface for the site toolbar. So this all will get the drop down. You can install the other ones also, admin tool search bar and all. So I'll install this. You all can check the other ones also. So I'll install all and I'll show you. So I'll have to just install over here. Yeah. So they have been successfully enabled. So now if I go over here, if I hover on the toolbar, you can see on hover this all the toolbar menu is opening up. So this is the functionality of that module. So this admin toolbar was installed using the Drupal admin interface. Okay. And yeah. And if you go over here, search admin toolbar. Here it displays the version of the module used, and if this module is required by other modules, so this additional thing requires the main tool admin toolbar. So this part won't get installed unless this is installed. Yeah, so similarly you can read about it. Okay, and there's a permission. Some will this have a permission option, so you can go over here and give the permission like on based on what you want to search like on authenticated user, admin, or anonymous user. So some modules will have an option called as configure also, which can give you the configuration of that specific module. Hmm. So this is the first part we have finished. So the second part we can go about is installer dev module. So uh, this module is used like for testing purposes, like, and it like generates dummy content nodes and all. So you don't need to go uh, manually and create content for testing and all. This gives you like lots of this helps you create lots of content for testing purpose. So this module I will install using the composer. So where your project is set up over here, you have to check where the composer files are, composer.json. Yeah. So I've opened my git page over here. So and the next thing is you have to click over here, the stable version, whichever is the stable version, and here the command will be there to install using composer. So you have to write a composer require Drupal um, uh, and the module name. And uh, it will if you write this much only, it will give you the stable latest stable module, or you can specify which version of module you want to install. So I'm specifying this 4.1 version module. So I'll just go over there. I'll paste composer required Drupal dev 4.1. Okay. So I'll install. So on Composer, most of as explained previously, it will install all the dependencies if there are any required by the module. It will directly be installed. After a few minutes, this module will get installed, and you'll see something like this. And it will show that it will write to the composer log file, and then yeah, the installation is complete. So now what we'll need to do is we'll need to go over here, search for. Okay, I need to refresh this. Okay, so we'll need to go to David. Okay, good. Open this. Yes, yeah. So this table generate. There is nothing specific required by. Yeah, there's no dependence on other models, so we can directly install. Even this table we can directly install. So I'll select both and I'll click on the install. Yeah, both the module have been successfully installed. Yes. So yeah, so after they have been installed, it will show something like help permission and configuration. Permission is like for which users it can be used, and configuration, if we click on and go over here, it gives you lots of options like to display machine names or permissions of modules or event headers or um, variable dumper like key debugging tool and all. Yeah, so we just need to just save this configuration, or if any changes are there, uh, we can make those changes for this uh, uh, the module in configuration. After we have successfully installed the module, under configuration we will get for this module we can generate dummy content. So we'll get something like generate option over here under the main toolbar, and I can click on the generate content. So okay, we can there are content types in Drupal. So there is already an article and basic page content tag, and if I check this content, see, you can see it all as empty over here because no content is created. If I create this article and if I tell them to create 10 nodes of article content type with maximum number per commit is 3, okay, and if I tell to generate, it will create those 10 nodes, and those will appear over here with all the dummy content 1 2 3 4 and 10. Okay, and this article content type will have some dummy content with dummy images in there. Yeah, similarly we can create for basic page. Let's say if I want to create 5 basic page, and if I generate over here, okay, and if I go to go to content over here, see, I'll have five more basic page created with some of the dummy content from the table model. So these were the two ways how to install a module. So I showed you like how to put the link of the tar file to the admin side of the admin side of Drupal and install the module and enable the module, and using the composer how to install the module and then enable the module from the admin side. And the two modules which were installed were the admin toolbar. One was the admin toolbar, so that easy access can be given to the sub menu of the main toolbar. And the second module was the devil module, which is used to generate the dummy content. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much, everyone. If you all have any questions or queries, you can just comment and let us know. We'll get back to you. Thank you.